If you want to restore your system from a restore point, then what you need to do is you need to go on to your start menu right here and then type in system restore just like this. So once you go around over here, you see the option for recovery. So once you click on that, what happens is that you can go around and open up system restore as you can see. So now you can see that it says restore system files and settings. So once you click on next, you can see the 2 to 2 point, and this is something that we created in the previous lesson. So you can select this out and click on next and continue out. If you were to click finish now, then what happens is that the system restore starts out and it'll revert back onto that particular system state in your Windows 11 computer, so that if some programs are affected or so forth, then it'll restore that out and your computer will start functioning normally. And that is how you can restore out your system from a system point. And I'm not going to do that because it'll actually restore my system point in my case. So that is how you do it. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.